Okay, I'm going to install Image BBS 3 on a stick in Windows 10. I'm going to unzip the file I downloaded. Then I'm going to extract the 64-bit zip file. I'm going to open up that zip file and then extract the folder from there and drop it on my C drive. Now I'm going to rename this folder. And rename it to IM3. Next, go into the IM3 folder and double-click runme.bat. Click Run. And it'll start TCPSER, and then the 64 will start as well. You'll notice it's 6411 for the port number. Then at the C64 screen, type boot 3.0. Press 1 to configure a new BBS. Give your sysop a name. Then give it your first name, last name, an email address, set up a password, then hit enter for yes. Then I'm going to set my clock manually, so I enter 1. Okay, for system device, you're going to enter 8. And system drive 1. Email device 8. Email drive 2. Etc. device 8. Etc. drive 1. Directory device 8. Directory drive 2. Plus file device 8. Plus file drive 0. User device 8. User drive 1. Then hit enter for yes. Then give your BBS a name. Then for these, I'm just going to accept the defaults. And if it's correct, enter for yes. Okay, now you can hit any key. And you're going to enter 1 for Swift Link. And if you get here, you are up and running, and your system is ready for configuration. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.